Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. We are going to see vocabulary from the first unit today. First thing we are going to see is homonyms. Literally, homonyms means homo means same, nym means sound. So, homonyms are words with similar sound, that is same sound and spelling but with a different meaning. Homonyms are words with a similar, that is same sound and same spelling, but it gives different meaning in different sentences. For example, cricket. We know cricket is a game, it is a sport. And there is another cricket, that is an insect. See the example here. Cricket is a popular sport. This is a game. Here this is an insect. A cricket is active at night. During night time, the cricket insect will be very active. So same spelling, same sound, same pronunciation, but different in different sentences. Hope you understand. Let us see the next one. Bank. We all know the banks, but let us see the another one. First thing is, interest rate has increased in all the banks. Now this is a bank we know where we deposit money and withdraw money, transferring money in the banks. Here, I love to sit and enjoy on the bank of the river. Here, bank of the river is the river side. Next one, will. We know will. It is an auxiliary verb. Here, a will was written without the knowledge of family. Here, this is a will. In Tamil, we say will. What is written for the wealth to transform to the family. Here, I will fight for justice. Here, will is the verb form. It is used to mention the future tense. Next is bark. Dogs bark at strangers. We know dogs bark. The bark of the tree fell on a man during cyclone. The bark of the tree, that is the layer of the trunk of the tree. A layer of the trunk of the tree, that is the outer part. The bark of the tree fell on a man during cyclone. Watch. This is my watch. We know this watch. A spy was keeping a watch on her. Here this is watching. A spy was watching her. We can say noticing. Next, bat. We know this cricket bat, we say. This bat is heavy. I was asked to bat. Here this is used like verb form, but here it is noun only. Here he is going to bat. Next, there is a dead bat on my bed. Here the bat is the mammal, the small animal we know. Okay children, we have finished homonyms. Same sound, same spelling, but different meaning in different situations. Now we are going to see homophones. Homo means, I told already, homo means same, phones means sounds. So homophones are the words with a similar sound, with the same sound, but with a different spelling and meaning. This is a difference here, different spelling. Spelling will be different, but pronunciation will be same and meaning will be different. So, homophone, same sound alone will be there. No same spelling, no same meaning. I hope you understand this. Let us go through these examples. In. Both are ins only. Here this in is preposition and this in in is a hotel. No. Here I know this. Here this N word is the negative word. Be. Here be is the grammatical form. Here be, it is an insect. To. This is preposition and this is 2 in number. What? This is used to measure the electricity. Here what is the question word. Right. This is correct and this is to write anything. Where. Here this is a verb form and here this is question word where. Bare. Here bare means empty or naked. Here this is animal. Herd. This is a herd of animals, herd of sheep. That is a group. Here herd means I heard the news. Hearing. Throne. Here this is the seat of the king and here this is the past participle of throw. THROW. Throw, throne. Through throne. Let us find the answer for these now. The dash of an elephant is amusingly short. Here tail and tail. Which one should come? Here TALE tail means story. TAIL tail means a part of the animal. So what should come here? The tail of an elephant is amusingly short. Next, the speaker dash for breath. The speaker, that is a person who is speaking. The speaker past. Both are past only. Here this past means move away from that place. This past means take a short break. So which one can we say? How can the speaker move away from that place? No, just to take a breath he paused. Just he stopped for some time. So the answer is the second one, paused. The speaker paused for breath. Third one, 2008 will be a leap year. Which year? EAR or YEAR? Which year should come here? YEAR year. I met him an dash ago. I met him an or. Which or? HOUR or OUR? HOUR, an hour ago. It is a lovely dash. It is a lovely wood. Wood means forest. Some more homophones we can see here. Night. This is night time and this is soldier. Pray. This is praying God and this is pray means the thing we eat. Food. Root means way. This root, trees root, plants root. Due means reason or pending. Here this due is the smog, few dews. Next is some means total. Here some means few. Deer. This is deer animal and this deer is very favorite. Feet. This feet is achievement and this feet, the foot, the part of our leg. Next, red. See, this has many pronunciations. Once we will read, R-E-A-D, read. The past tense of this read is Read, R-E-A-D, same spelling, but past tense means only the pronunciation should differ. Here, red and red, this is color. Weak and weak. Weak means I am very weak, I am not strong. This week, the 7 days together, a week. This is piece and piece, a piece of cake, small piece, and this piece is the serenity, calmness. Now we shall see the next thing, anagrams. This is little new for you. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. That is, a word will be there. From that word, we have to rearrange, shuffle the letters and form another word. That is anagram. See the examples here. Melon. All the letters should be used only once. Whatever letters are used here, it should be used in the anagram also. See here, melon, M-E-L-O-N. See, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Next one, elbow. Below, B-E-L-O-W, below. Next is section. Notices. All the letters are used here. Notices. Viewer. Review. Ripples. Slipper. Needless. Lessened. All these words are there in our book, and we are going to see some more words, new words. With interest, you start learning this also. Bat. Tab. Elbow. Below. Dusty. Study. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Inch. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Save. Bass. B-A-S-E. Bass. Listen. Silent. Funeral. Real fun. R-E-A-L, real fun. Schoolmaster. When you reshuffle these letters, we get the classroom. Statue of Liberty. Built to stay free. Tar. Rat. State. Taste. Night. Thing. Cat. Act. No. On. The eyes. They see. Paris. Pairs. So these are some interesting anagrams. Children, this is your assignment for you. Find 5 more homonyms, homophones and anagrams. New words you find from some books or from your elders or from net. Thank you.